Hey, what's up, guys? Just want to quickly show. I found out one of my hoses. This is apparently a service line broken. Since this is a service line, the air is now leaking. The only air leaks when you hold the brake. I found it this way because you see, you usually have two springs holding these lines above the DOT requirement line, which is, I think it's 18 inches off the ground. So one of my springs was missing yesterday. I had it replaced at a TA. They put the spring, but usually the spring have a clip, usually the clip that is attached to the trailer. But what they did yesterday, took one of the springs, attached it, just quickly want to show you. They put it this way, just literally attached it that way, and said it would be okay because the spring is brand new, it's not gonna fall off. Little do I know, this morning I see my hoses, my lines are hanging on the ground, and one of my lines is cut. So as you can see here, you see here, both ends, it's cut. So I use this tape because I was passing a weigh station. Luckily it was closed, just to make sure, you know, the officer doesn't see hanging, and I want to make sure the rest of my hoses don't get cut as well. So just now I was lucky enough to stop at a trailer utility shop, get all the parts. So let's go ahead and replace it. This is going to be my first time doing it, so let's go ahead and do it together. This is going to be the new line. They didn't have the connector. Some places they usually do. This one didn't have it. It's called a compressor unit. That's what they told me. So this place didn't have it, and I got this one. It's basically a new spring. This one has all the things you need. It's gonna attach all my three lines. Then this part is gonna clip. This clip part is gonna attach to my trailer, to the bottom of my trailer. So let's go ahead and put it. Alright guys, just quickly wanted to say, I only had one of these adjustable wrench. I didn't have the second one, it wasn't working. So I went inside, I asked for the guys to give me one. So they were nice enough to give me the second one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish. It's always nice when you ask for people, they help you. That's the kind of community you want to have in the trucking industry. These people are really nice. The things are not opening. It's probably rusted. These guys were just nice enough to give. This is pretty much just brand new. It's not even open. They just gave it to me. Very nice people. Guys, it's crazy how much my knees are killing me just by sitting there for 20 minutes. It's the last part that I have to go through. Luckily the spray, the anti-rust spray, that's helping me, otherwise I wouldn't be able to open it. So it's the last part. I'm just gonna take that out, and then we're gonna put the new parts. So let's go ahead and do it. This place is closing. They're gonna put the gate down, So just one more time, this place was nice enough to give me this, brand new on the house. I borrowed their wrench, so I fixed the whole thing for 50 bucks. So let's get out of here. Okay, I basically had to drive about 100 miles because the place was closing and it was raining. I didn't want to stop anywhere, so here I stopped at the rest area. So I'm just gonna go outside and take a look, see if my job stood the test of time. It's only 100 miles, but still we can see if it has fallen down, how it is doing. Okay, perfect. So basically what did I change? I had this before. I put this new spring, and what else did I do? So basically I changed the entire hose, the service line. So I had to change this part. This part I did not have to change. So basically this whole line basically goes around, and I replaced this part. So this part took me a long time to open because it was all rusted. So it looks to be looking fine. Alright guys, so it looks like the job we did is looking fine. So I'm doing my 30-minute break, quickly gonna make something to eat, and I'm gonna check the weather. I'm gonna show the application that I use to check the weather. It looks like it's raining right now a little bit. I'm not gonna do my workout, so I'm on my way to New York City. I've got another 550 miles left, so I'm gonna check the weather app, see what the cloud is looking like. So I'm probably gonna stop at the next rest area, get the workout done where it's not wet, and keep rolling. So I'm just gonna show the application that I use, how I check the weather, and that's about it guys. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Bye.